Hi, today I'll show you how to change your cabin air filter. So first I'm going to unlock my car, then open the passenger side door, then you open the glove compartment. So I'll show you. And then you open this, you like pull this out, then you squeeze both of these ends, because there's a little hinge over here. So there's one side, and there's other side. So it came out. So now if you look down here, this is the compartment which holds the cabin air filter. So you just like press on this little tab and then pull it out, and that's the cabin air filter. So you just take this out, then you just replace it. So you just replace it with a new one, and just put it back in. So let's say this is the new one. Mine doesn't need changing because it's already new. So there's like a little arrow, so make sure it's pointing upwards. Then you just put it back in this slot and grab the little door. Then you put this part in first on the left side, and then close it until you hear a click. Then you just line up these hinges to the slots. And just push it back until it makes a sound. Then you put this back in and close it. So there you go. I showed you how to change out your cabin air filter, so you can do it yourself too now. Okay, thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.